Welcome back for another one. In this one we're going to be looking at some software for printing labels. You know, you get labels like this where it's on an 8.5 by 11 and you have to crop it yourself. And normally we would try to use Adobe Reader because in the past the tool has been relatively easy to use, but with all the updates it's not so much anymore. You kind of have to finagle it. So this software we're looking at today, not so much, is like designed for this. So we'll open up. It's called Shipping Printer Pro. I believe it's available on all platforms and devices. So we'll go ahead and open up a PDF. I have this one here, and the reason I like this so much is because how fast it is. You see Smart Crop, we'll click that and we'll take this, it takes this label that was on an 8.5 by 11 sheet and now it's the label by itself, and you can use it. Let's see, you have labels like this. Sometimes we'll take one of those. Unfortunately, it's not that smart. It's not able to detect the label from the data, maybe down the line. So when you do the smart crop on that, it just trims it right. But you can still crop it. You go over here to the edit tool and you want to click on ratio, click custom, and that's if your label sideways. Actually, let's see. Yeah, we'll just use custom. You grab your crop, and the fastest way to do this, don't do all four corners, do the top left and do the bottom right, and there you go. Hit that check mark and you're good to go. So just out of curiosity, I had one skewed, and we'll take a look at how that one will do in here. It's not going to do it. There's one other one after this I'm going to show you. Click open. And smart crop on there does just like you would expect, Now let's say you have a PDF with multiple labels. Unfortunately, it's not smart enough to crop all 4 pages at once, but it's so fast, it's really not a big deal. You can just go to page, and you're done that fast. So the software, obviously, it came as a recommended software for the enKo printer, and unfortunately it looks like this is not compatible with printers that are not Bluetooth. That's not the end of the world, because I feel like most printers nowadays are Bluetooth, and with options like the enKo for under $100, what is it, $90, and you can have all the functionality of the $200 printer. Like, this is obviously the way things are going to be moving forward. So yeah, it sucks you can't use it for any non-Bluetooth options, but the software is still great. And what's great about the software is it's actually designed for thermal printers. Many of the other options that we've checked out, not so much. And the one I recommend the most is the Adobe Reader, which is not designed for thermal printing at all. And for some reason they decided to put the features that we use behind a paywall. Well, if we're only using it for that, there's nobody that I know that would pay for it. But for this, if it had printing to wired and Bluetooth printers, I could see paying for that. Alright, so that'll wrap this video up. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I'll see you in the comment section. Check the description for links and any other updates. We'll talk to you in the next one. And as always, see the description for the 15% discount code to our website, where you can get labels and other shipping and packing supplies.